Now I'm inside the waiting hall of the station.
工作人员接听有的人员请注意，由长沙南开往北京西方向的高502次列车进16站台，请做好接车准备。请工作人员在16、17类侧检票口做好检票准备。Dear passengers, may I have your attention, please? We have stopped a ticket to check for train number G6Y4from Xi'an to Beijing Xi. Passengers who have not entered the station in time, please change your ticket at ticket office.
This train is checking in. This is information for trains. I hate commercials instead of them. This is the big station, main entrance of the station, and here we can see the city. And on the second floor, we are on the second floor, and on the third floor we have McDonald's, we have KFC, the Kentucky Fried Chicken, and we have the information center where the staff here is always ready to answer your questions. And here we are is the giant waiting hall in the station. Ticket checks number 1 to number 23, and some ticket offices. It's like hundreds of people are taking this train. Inside the train number K233. And the train's stopping at the platform 20. This is the soft sleeper train, one of the most luxury train in China. Each car has 9 cabins. Each cabin has 4 beds. The upper level and the lower level. Yeah. Very comfortable. And you have the doors to separate from each other. That's it. This is train number 1955 depart from Shijiazhuang station. And this is the other side of the platform. You can see high-speed trains. Why is it so vague? Yeah, this high-speed train is departing. This train is pulling in. The train number is G84 from Changsha South to Beijing West. Yes, you can see this. G84, platform 16. And our train is about to pulling out. Okay, now our train is pulling out slowly. Now I'm saying goodbye to the city. Start the trip to go to America. And right on the left, this is the Beijing to Guangzhou high-speed railway. And far away, it is Taiyuan to Qingdao high-speed railway under construction. Okay, the train is accelerating. Oh, there's a high-speed train over there. It's approaching the station. And there's a lot of buses of the city. Here we can see it's like the parking lot for high-speed trains, train sets. This is a repair center for high-speed trains. Oh, there's another train set. Now we're passing another small station which is almost abandoned. See this. Lincheng station. I think only some teeny tiny local trains stop at the station. Or yes, freight trains. We are pulling into the Shanghai railway station. Platform 1. Arriving at Shanghai railway station. Look like I'm a train attendant. A lot of people are boarding the train. Our train is ready to cross the Yellow River. Okay, we've reached the bank of the Yellow River. Exit。客车快233通过郑州黄河大桥。Train number 233 K233 passing Yellow River Bridge. Making a brief stop at Zhengzhou Station, which was and is the very heart of the Chinese railroad system. Good morning. Our train is stopping at Wuxi Station in Jiangsu Province and it's getting closer and closer to our destination. And we can see this station is very different from other stations. We still have some platforms, but the station is separated in two regions. One is normal region, where normal trains stop, like our old platforms. And far away here, we have a high-speed region, where intercity trains stop at those platforms. Now we can see an intercity train is pulling into the station. CRH2 from Nanjing to Shanghai. And now we are leaving the station together with a high-speed intercity train. I like that. Obviously, it is faster than us. Damn it.混联城际无锡新区站。Now we are approaching Suzhou Station. Ouch. I hate the junctions here. It's like quartering the train. I like this station because it looks like quite Chinese style. The decoration is great. More and more railway lines are joined together. This is Yangchenghu Station in Shanghai to Nanjing Intercity High-Speed Rail. And the farthest way is a Beijing to Shanghai High-Speed Rail. So we have street lines joined together.客车快2334上海站8、9、10站台停车。 set up the station. Now I'm in Shanghai City, downtown. This is the Pudong district. Ever since now, we can see people, mountain people see.